ferried on boats. We had the bridges to do that. We still have high-speed passenger ferries, but this ferry terminal and this ferry boat were given over and turned into a museum. Hyde Street Pier. This opening onto our left is aquatic park. You can see the swimmers over there swimming in the water. Part of the Dolphin Swim Club and the South End Rowing Club. Aquatic park is a non-motorized zone for kayaking and swimming. If you want to join them, they take all comers, but I do have to warn you, the water temperature in San Francisco Bay is about 55 degrees on average. Far too cold for me to be jumping in down over there. High speed is a pretty unique stroll on this pier here. This is Mealy Pier, a public access pier. You can fish off of it. The Segway tours and the rented mountain bikes go down the pier. Perhaps just grab yourself some chocolate from Ghirardelli Square or a hot coffee and go for a stroll this evening. Now Ghirardelli Square up there, Mr. Ghirardelli came to San Francisco during the gold rush. But instead of seeking his fortune in gold, he sought his fortune in the cocoa bean. He actually patented the process for making powdered cocoa right here on the waterfront. They no longer make that world-famous chocolate here in San Francisco. They moved the chocolate factory to San Leandro in the East Bay. They still sell it here, though. Cruise over, get yourself some chocolate, go for a walk.